Alright, took a little detour again. Talk to these gentlemen, so I'm coming up on number 3 again. Watch the flow coming off the edge. They're getting some elevations. Moving down towards number 4. What's under the water right here, but there's some good swirls that come up downstream number 4. Alright, here we go towards number 5. Nice flow kicking off the end of this weir. Number 6. See how nice and calm it is behind the weir. Sweet. Weir 7. A little bit of a backwater eddy on the upstream side, nice and calm on the downstream side.